Hello, my dear children. A very good morning to all of you. Today, I welcome you all to this video on the poem The Gift to Sing. So, children, let's start. The highlights of our learning will be a look at the poem, then about the poet, the summary of the poem, and then finally stanza wise explanations. Before we move on with the poem, The Gift to Sing, we are going to read about the poet, the person who has written this beautiful poem. So, the image that you can see on the screen is that of the poet who wrote this poem. He is James Weldon Johnson. He lived from 1871 to 1938. He was an American author, educator, a lawyer, journalist, and a songwriter. He published hundreds of stories and poems during his lifetime. So, in his lifetime, he wrote so many stories and also published them. And something more interesting about him is that he had founded the Daily American newspaper at the young age of 24. So, when he was 24 years old, he founded the Daily American newspaper. He later became the first African American professor at New York University. Now, the question is, what do you understand by African American? African Americans are black people living in United States. He was the first black American who became professor at New York University. So, the poet James Weldon Johnson was a man of many talents. So, let's now read the summary of the poem. Summary means the meanings of the poem in short. Now, listen to the summary. The Gift to Sing is a poem about the effect of music on our lives. So, what the effect of music is on our lives is being described in this poem. The poet sings to turn his gloomy day into a cheerful one. So, when the poet is going through gloomy days or sad days, he sings and his worries go away. He sings to turn his somber moments into ones of gladness. This tells us that he sings to turn his dull moments, dark moments into happy ones by singing. He is no longer in a bad mood because his singing takes his mind off things. His song helps him to overcome all the darkness and miseries that come his way. So, this poem tells us about the effect of music on our lives. So let's read the poem. The poem Gift to Sing is having 3 stanzas. So let's start with the first one. Sometimes the mist overhangs my path. Sometimes mist means sad days, overhangs means comes on my path. So here the poet says that sometimes sad days comes on my path. That means sometimes I become sad. Sad days come on my path, and blackening clouds about me cling. And blackening clouds means moments of sadness and despair. Despair means lose or without any hope. And what happens? The black clouds, the moments of sadness and despair about me cling. Cling means hold me tightly. Sometimes I become sad and sadness hold me tightly. That means everywhere there is sadness around me. But oh, I have a magic way to turn the gloom to cheerful day. Gloom means darkness and sadness. The poet is saying that he has a magic way to turn his sad days into cheerful day. Then what does he do? He softly sings. Through his singing, he turned his sad days into cheerful days. So the poet loves singing. His song helps him to overcome all the darkness, sadness, and miseries and problems that come on his way. So this is the explanation of the first stanza. Moving on to the second stanza. And if the way grows darker still, shadowed by sorrow, somber wing. Somber means dark and dull. Here the poet says if, even after singing, problems are still on his path, there is no end of problems in his life, and he feels that there is sorrow, sadness everywhere, then what does the poet do? With glad defiance in my throat. Defiance means bold disobedience. I pierce the darkness with a note. Pierce means go through, and note means song. And sing and sing. The poet wants to say that even if there is sorrow everywhere, he is happy to take up the challenge of brightening a gloomy day by singing. So he faces all the problems boldly and solve all the problems by singing. Let's read the third stanza. I brood not over the broken past. Brood means to sulk or get angry, not dread whatever time may bring. Dread means fear. So the poet decides not to brood, not to worry about his broken past or the bad experiences of his past, and doesn't fear what hardship time may bring or what will happen in future. No nights are dark, no days are long. The poet says that no nights are dark means there will be a little bit of light or little bit ray of hope that you can solve your problem. No days are long means the sad day will not continue. While in my heart there swells a song and I can sing means the poet doesn't have a dark night or a long day because of his ability to lift his spirit through singing. He doesn't find the nights are dark or the days are long till he has a love for music. He can solve all his problems because of his love for music. So, the poet says that music is something he loves the most. With the music, he overcomes all his problems. Like this, each and every individual has some point of interest. Some people like to dance, some like to play, some like to act, some like reading, painting, and so on. So, whenever you feel sad, you do whatever you like to do, and with this, you can overcome your problems or your sadness. Whenever you feel sad, you use your magic trick. What is your magic trick? Your point of interest. Whatever you like, you do that, you will feel better. So, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice learning day.